If you've ever wondered why cats love knocking things off tables, the answer is both funny and fascinating. Cats are natural hunters, and swatting objects mimics the way they test prey in the wild. That glass on the counter? To them, it's practice for catching a mouse. Curiosity also plays a huge role. Cats explore the world with their paws, and pushing items helps them learn about texture, weight, and movement. Sometimes it's simply attention-seeking behavior. If your cat notices you react every time they knock something down, they'll repeat it to get your focus. And let's be honest, cats enjoy the drama of watching things crash. While it may feel mischievous, it's actually a mix of instinct, play, and communication. Next time your feline sends something flying, remember, it's their quirky way of keeping life entertaining.